Hi! In front of me is OPPO A96 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by going into Play Store and installing free Magic Fluid app from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. From here select Settings and tap on I accept in the pop-up. Then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. And click at the top right corner. Now select bottom one again, but this time click on Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Apply and pick one of those options. I want to set up mine on home screen and lock screen, so I have to click on this one and tap on Home button. And now as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!